Good morning, students. Welcome to GK class. Today we will learn plant probe, flower quiz, universal wonders, and ecosystem. Let us start. What is the scientific study of plant life known as botany? What is the process of plant using energy from sunlight to turn carbon dioxide into food known as photosynthesis? The Japanese word sakura means the blossoming. What kind of tree is it? It is cherry tree. What grain has the highest level of worldwide production? Maize, also known corn. How can you tell the age of the most tree? By counting the rings on the trunk. What is the original name of the love apple? Tomato. Whose poisonous variety of is the death cap? Mushroom. Which cereal must be grown in water? Rice. Which grain is used to make semolina? Wheat. Which part of a flowering plant is often used to make oil? Seed. What is the sacred flower of the Buddhist religion? Lotus. What is chocolate made from? Cocoa beans. Flowering quiz. What is the national flower of Nepal? It is rhododendron. What does RHS stand for? Royal Horticulture Society. Which flower has the smallest seeds? Orchid. Which flower symbolic means beauty? Lily. Which of the following flower is symbolized with Lord Buddha? Lotus. Which flower is referred to as the queen of tropics? Hibiscus. Identify this flower. It is daisy. What flower bulb can be used in place of onions in cooking? Tulip. What is the national flower of India? Lotus. What is the state flower of New York? Rose. Universal wonder. The Subterranean River National Park is one of the most distinguished protected areas of the Philippines. It is Puerto Princesa. It is a cinder cone volcano in the Mexican state of Michoacan. It is Pericutin. It is the world's highest point. It is one of the most iconic natural features on the globe. Mount Everest. The spectacular light that appears in the sky of polar regions that seems to be dancing and waving. Northern Light. A rare phenomena of a natural arch carved out of stone by nature. This particular arch is located in Trimula Hills, Andhra Pradesh. It is Sale Athoranam, a great example of ecosystem. This park is nature's showcase of diversity with great numbers of animals and plants, hot springs and geysers. It is also a super volcano, Yellowstone volcano. Ecosystem. We have to write true or false for the statements. Like nutrients and water, energy also recycled through an ecosystem. It is false. An ecosystem consists of all the biotic and abiotic factors in an area and their interaction. True. Herbivores are a necessary link between producers and other consumers. True. A niche refers to the place an organism lives within its ecosystem. False. Dung beetles eat animal feces. True. Carnivores include lions, polar bears, hawk, frog, salmon, and deer. True. Biomass increases at the upper level of a food chain. False. The feeding position in a food chain or web are called tropical levels. True. Raccoons are scavengers. True. In a complex ecosystem, it is likely that two different species will occupy the same niche. False. The habitat is the role of a species in its ecosystem. False. A food web shows how angry flows through an ecosystem. It is true. Thank you.